Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys realme phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to set custom ringtone on realme phone. Friends, we want to set custom ringtone on your realme phone. So how to set today friends I am going to show you in this video. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. Friends, now let's see how to set custom ringtone on realme phone. Friends, click on phone setting. After on phone setting friends, scroll it. Friends, click on sound and vibration setting. We will on sound and vibration. After on friends, sound and vibration friends, you can see vibrate on ring, vibrate on silent mode setting. Friends, your phone volume, you can increase your media volume, ringtone volume, notification volume, alarm ringtone volume. So friends, we will click on ringtone setting. After ringtone friends, you want to set your phone system ringtone. You can select ringtone and friends you can set ringtone. So example guys, I will set this ringtone. Friends, you can see this dream ringtone will set on realme phone. So when first you can see your custom ringtone, select from file guys, click here. Friends, you have your download ringtone. So I first guys I will decrease this volume. Again click on ringtone. Friends, you can see custom ringtone guys. I will select guys any ringtone. So friends, you have download your ringtone, so you can select and guys back. Friends, your custom ringtone will set on your realme mobile, and friends you can increase volume, and friends you can use your custom ringtone on your realme phone guys. So like the way we can set custom ringtone, and friends you can set with shortcut setting also. Click on phone setting guys, direct search your guys ringtone setting guys, and friends click on ringtone, custom ringtone guys, select. And friends you want to change your custom ringtone, so I select here guys, your custom ringtone will change. So like that guys, we can set and change custom ringtone on realme mobile. So bye bye guys.